This one's triple bang. No, this is my last one. Officially my last one until July 4th. Okay, let's go like this bad boy. What are you doing? Light this bitch right in front of your car. Right in front of your car. Okay, I'll put it right here. No more. Officially no more until July 4th. Officially.